Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Harbor Freight huge free event, 3 days only, Friday July 12th through Sunday July 14th. So yeah, only 3 days. We do have this it's not a new free item, but it's a newer item, or not a newer item. It was free before, and then they just stopped it for a long time, and now they have it back. So it is the 300 lumens LED super bright light. Anyways, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, first one is that free 200 lumens LED super bright light. It's a flip light, just like a regular flip, but you don't have to wire it. It's pretty much battery operated. It does include the batteries, and it is free with the purchase of any product. And then the next free item we have is the Tarp 5x7 all-purpose weather resistant tarp. I can't remember exactly how many times I use these tarps. I got them all over my house. You could use them to cover up lumber wood, to lumber or wood or firewood, or pretty much if you got a little tractor, put it in there. So you can prevent rain from getting into your whatever you want to put down in that. You can even put this on the bed of your truck if you're hauling something on your bed and you don't want to get wet. It's 5 by 7 feet, so it should be enough to cover the top part of the bed. Anyways, the next one is the free 4-inch magnetic parts holder. These are great, guys, especially if you're doing a small project or a project under the hood of the vehicle. You don't want to lose all those nuts and bolts. It is kind of small. We used to have the 6-inch magnetic parts holder. I don't have the coupon for that anymore. It's not valid anymore. But if you have a couple of these, or 2 or 3 of these, it's fine. It'll work for you. If you fill one up, just pull up and get another one and just fill up the next one, and pretty much that's the way you can do it. And yeah, these items are free, so feel free to take a screenshot of these coupons. I'll see if I can put a full screen or not. If not, then just take a screenshot or a picture with your phone, and just make sure you get these numbers, the barcode here numbers. Those are the ones that you need. Give it in the cashier. Anyways, next coupon we have a 20% off coupon. It says valid through Sunday, July 14. So that is the coupon code right there. That's all you guys need, just the codes for these two. It says print coupon. Let's see here, Portland pressure washer, $77.99. Yeah, this is a pretty good deal here. Yeah, so we have seen it lower than this, but it's not a bad deal. It works. I do have the review on my channel. Another coupon we have is the 72 by 80 moving blankets, $5.99. 130-piece toolkit with the case, $29.99. 3-gallon 100 psi of free air compressors, $39.99. You get the reciprocating saw with rotating handle, $19.99. You get the latex coated work gloves, $149. The 2,000 watt super quiet inverter generator, $449. 29-piece titanium drill bit set, it's under $10. Same thing, same price with this, 4.5 angle grinder. I just purchased this, so I will be doing a review on that. Don't expect this to last forever. A couple holes and pretty much the bits are done, because you're only paying really low amount here, $10 for a whole bunch of drill bits. You got the 3-piece socket driver set, $2.99. Solar rope light, $7.99. You got the swivel TV wall mounts, just under $10. Great. It's a great device here. Rapid punt 1 round. Oh, I can't talk today. Oh my god. Just got off work and it's super hot. My brain's like in another state right now. Alright, so we got the Rapid Pump 1.5 ton lightweight aluminum floor jack, $59.99. And then you got these shop lights are great, guys. If you guys could get it for $19.99, great shop light. Costco does make a shop light too, and sometimes they'll put it for $19.99 too, but you know, they're just not around. I'll let you guys know if I ever come up with those shop lights again at Costco for $20, and I'll post it on the or here in the YouTube posting. You got the 5,000 lumens LED hanging shop light, $19.99. 18-inch work platform step stool, $19.99. You got the 12-inch tool bag, under $5. It says plus with super coupons. You got the airless paint sprayer, $169.99. 18 by 12 dolly movers dolly, $7.99. You got the 3-ton heavy duty floor steel jack stands, $18.99. Guys, this is a great deal here. Even if you, because we've been having this, we've been having this price for quite a while. We've seen them for $16.99, but even at $18.99, even at $20, these are a great buy, guys. Because I even last time I tried searching them on Craigslist and searching some on OfferUp, and I could not find a pair of jack stands for under $20. They were always $30, $25, and stuff like that. So this is a great deal, especially when they put them at $16.99. You got the 2 semi-trash gasoline engine water pump, $169.99. 14-inch electric chainsaw, $39.99. Variable speed multifunction power tool, $22.99. Good and better. I would recommend this one if you guys could get it. Once you add the blade and everything, basically it becomes this. Maybe about $5 or $10 difference there. But yeah, once you put the blade on there, this one does come with the blade. So I'll definitely get this one instead of that. I do have the 10-inch, by the way. Got the 46-inch mobile storage cabinet with solid wood top, $229.99. 17 feet multi-task ladder, $109.99. A 4.5 cutoff wheels pack of 10, $5.99. 4-channel wireless surveillance systems with 2 cameras, $219. You got the 60-inch 4-drawer hardwood workbench, $119.99. You get the pedestal high velocity 30-inch fan, $114.99. You got the 100-watt solar panel kit, $149. Guys, if you guys want to see my setup, so I do have this solar panel system. I do have this. If you guys want to see that setup, all you have to do is just go on YouTube, search 100-watt solar panel kit, toolhead 147, and you guys will see it. Otherwise, I'll try to leave a link up above. You got the 4.5 or 1/4 hex compact impact driver kit, $15.99. 10 by 10. Yeah, Walmart usually has them for like $40 or $44. So shop around. Foldable sawhorse, and plus the way it's only 10 feet. You know, I would recommend at least a 12-footer. Foldable sawhorse, $8.99. A 1,500-watt dual temperature heat gun, under $10. I do have this. If you guys want to watch the review, and the heavy duty portable scaffold, $169.99. 50 feet commercial power feed drain cleaner, $2.99. 18 gauge 2-in-1 nailer stapler, $19.99. And then you got the 3-in-1 portable power pack, $49.99. Air impact wrenches, $74.99. Anyways, that was it for today. A quick review of this email. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and have a great weekend. Thank you.